are those half sticks of Rembrandts? I know. Did you already labels off the full ones?
This was a half stick set that I recently bought, and I have more over here. I have a couple other boxes about this size that have just a variety of colors in them, and I like to use them because they have
Dick Blick categorizes Rembrandt as a soft pastel. I never think of it as a hard one.
Well, as far as like on the scale of hard to soft, they're pretty hard. They're softer. They're softer than new pastel. They're softer than pastel pencils. Okay. They're softer probably than some of those other hard square pastels.
Credit color and
right. They're softer than those. And it also depends on what surface you're using. But as far as like, you could never get little lines like this out of a Blue Earth or a Terry Ludwig.
Oh, no.
No, never in a million years.
Or anything, That's what I'm really short on hard pastels in my set. So did you buy the assorted colors of the Rembrandt? Do you remember? Was that
they're just I have the I'll show you what I have. I have this set, if I can do this without dropping them. I have this set. This set was a full 12 full sticks, which I've broken off. I'm using the little ends or the other side, and plus 24 half sticks on this side. Wow. And since they were starting to get a little old, when I was at IAPS, they were having a sale, and so I went ahead and bought another 24 half stick set. And the nice thing about doing that, when you buy these sets like this, it's not really a specific set. It's just like assorted. You're very likely to get slightly different colors than the ones you already have. So mine, I don't really have very many duplicates here. So I have lots of different tones now, lots of different colors to pick from.
My Rembrandts got really old and I couldn't even use them. They were all crusted over. So I haven't bought any since, but.
You can use them. It just, they're actually harder when they got that crustiness on them. They're easier to do this kind of thing on.
Good to know. Thank you. Sorry.
And if you don't want that crusty edge, you just take some sanded paper and go sideways on it and work off that crust. And then you can use them just fine underneath. Yeah. Pastels never get old.
I don't know. I couldn't get them. Yeah.
Well, if you can't get that off, like I used to use pastels and literally cheap chalks when doing those 5-minute portrait sketches in amusement parks. And then we'd spray it with hairspray before tearing it off, the paper. And the hairspray would all just fall down onto the pastels and the chalks. Over the years, I learned to put my rag down over my pastels before spraying. But for a long time, no, they'd get super crusty. And you just go on your board and you just go, get those edges off. Like here, I just cleaned off. Here's that crusty edge. I just cleaned part of that off.
Okay.
So you can see, you just like work on it like that, get that crusty edge off, and then you can use the side of it to paint with.
Yeah. Mary just commented that she's using her mother's pastels from the 40s. So now I know.
Yeah. Wow. Don't get rid of them. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. Get some more of this.